SimplySherry and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do an update on my rolling project pan. So without further ado, I'm just going to get into it because I just want to get this done. Okay, so the first product is my FENTY Heat Gloss. It was 32 last month. This month it's 33, so I'm not sure. It must have to do with the weather. It's expanding. The next product is my e.l.f. powder. It was 59. It's still 59. You don't need to use a lot of this because it's very high coverage. So that is that. Too Faced Candy Cane was 31 and it's 31 again. So where is it? Oh, here it is. I use this because this is one of my favorite colors, so I have been using it, but it just hasn't gone down. When it's hot outside, products expand, liquid products, so that could be what it is. My Charlotte Tilbury lip balm. This was 12 grams. It's now 11 grams, so there's a bit of progress on that. The next product is the Jelly Blush. 25 grams. It's still 25 grams. The Rare Beauty bronzing stick. It was 37 grams. It's still 37 grams. I'm sorry, I'm trying to look for everything as I'm going through. Laneige Gummy Bear Lip Mask. This is an empty this month, so I finished up one product anyway, so that's gone. So that's good. The next product was my Sephora brown liner, which is right here. It was 4 grams. It's still 4 grams. I don't think I've had to sharpen that. I don't wear makeup every day, you guys know. The next product was the Neutrogena Sunscreen. It was 107 grams. It's now 105 grams, so I have been using some of this. The next product is my AOA Cleansing BALM. It was 62 grams. Now it's 55 grams, and then after I take this little bit of makeup off today, it's going to be even less, but there's how much I have left. So this will probably definitely be finished up next month. Okay, and because I finished this lip balm, I had to bring in another product, and I decided to roll in a perfume. So I'm going to roll in this Kayali Yum Pistachio perfume. As you can see, I got a dent in that. And we're starting with a weight of 52 grams on this. So we'll see how long it takes to get through that. So I know this was a quick video, but it's an update for my rolling project pan. Have you guys finished anything up this month? Let me know down below. I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye, everyone.